Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a cash send transaction in the Capitec app. So let's get started. Keep in mind that you can only cancel a cash send if the receipt has not yet withdrawn the money. If the funds have already been collected, the transaction cannot be reversed. So let's go through the process. So start by opening the Capitec banking app and signing into your account using your PIN, fingerprint, or any available login method. From the home screen, select the cash send option and then look for the section that displays your active or outstanding cash sends. This area contains transfers that have not yet been claimed. Locate the payment you want to stop and tap on it to view the details. You should see an option such as Cancel Cash Send or Withdraw Transaction. Select it and confirm your choice when prompted. After the cancellation is processed, the money will typically be credited back to your Capitec account balance. If you cannot find a cancellation option, there are a few possible reasons. The receipt may have already collected the funds, or the transaction may have expired and been handled automatically by the system. Another possibility is that you're using an older version of the application, so check for the updates, install the latest version, and then try again. You can also review your transaction history to see the current status of the cash sent. Look for labels such as pending, cancelled, or collected. If the status shows collected, the transfer can no longer be reversed. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.